Now on our pound Swiss franc, as you can see for the past week, our pound against our Swiss franc actually fell rapidly, and this is amazing because our Swiss franc about the past week just went up. It pushes up well. If you are to compare our USD to our Swiss franc, our USD to also fell against our Swiss franc. Now our pound against also fell against our Swiss franc. So, and if you are to analyze it, you will see that our pound to our Swiss franc will be falling, right? But I doubt so. And the reason is that now we are on our day time frame. Let us zoom out. We can see a resistance, a support area here, one of a major key level area here, which we should be eyeing, which we should be keeping our eyes on. And there's every possibility our price reverse from here. Now we can see a fall, right? And we still have a 4 more. That should be giving us, we should at least get a 4 more to about 130 pips. That's exactly what are we seeing. A fall about 130 pips and a push up on our pound Swiss franc, because I believe soon our Swiss franc will start falling. Our Swiss franc will start falling because it has gone high, it has gone bullish. So it is now time for it to start reversing. So that is why I said probably we'll be seeing a fall on our pound, then a reversal move which will change the course, or the angle or the way we are taking our chases. Our pound has been falling against our Swiss franc. We'll see what to see a little bit of a drop on our pound, which will be about 130 plus pips, then a bullish move as we can see here, as take it as our support area, here. So I think probably the other week after we might see a breakout below yet. So if you can see a fall, then a reversal move which will be going bullish, and a fall again, breaking this our lows here to take out this our liquidity area here, I believe will be happening. But before that, I think that will take about 2 or 3 weeks more to actually accomplish this. But before that, we'll go bullish, bearish, then a bullish move upward, and probably a fall. That is what I am seeing on my pound Swiss franc. So that is, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you very much.